Welcome to the Fame. My name is Lisa. I hope everyone had a wonderful day. And Duggar's last hope. Josh Duggar requests an acquittal in a new trial. The trial of Josh Duggar ended in a guilty verdict at the end of 2021. Federal agents detained Josh in April of 2021 on suspicion of downloading and obtaining material relating to child sexual abuse. Later in the year, he went to court. He was found guilty of the crimes after a lengthy trial that lasted several days. He is now awaiting sentencing. However, his legal team has just requested a new trial after filing an appeal. What's going to happen next? Josh Duggar's trial ended on December 9th, 2021, with a guilty verdict on 2 counts of obtaining child sex abuse material. The jury found Josh guilty. While awaiting sentencing, he is being held in solitary confinement in a local Arkansas jail. When the guilty verdict was read, Josh was teary-eyed but not crying. In the case of Josh Duggar's wife, Anna Duggar, the verdict was said to have left her stoic. Immediately following the conclusion of the trial, Anna hurried out the door with Jim Bob Duggar, Justin Duggar, and Claire Spivey. After the trial ended, several members of the Duggar family took to social media to express their displeasure. Anna would be well taken care of, and many of them agreed with this sentiment. A new trial or acquittal for Josh Duggar appeared to be on the horizon after his legal team announced they would appeal the verdict. Josh's legal team requested an acquittal of the guilty verdict, according to the publication. When it comes to child pornography, defense attorneys argue that the charges against their clients should be dropped. Newly released court papers allege the government failed to adduce any evidence that Duggar knew of any sexually explicit conduct by the depicted minors. There was also no evidence that Josh personally viewed any of the illegal files on his computer, according to the defense. It is noted in the court documents that Josh's legal team is seeking a new trial because the government failed to timely disclose exculpatory evidence. They also note that Caleb Williams is unavailable. Williams was a member of the staff at Wholesale Automobiles. What's the next step? Is Anna Duggar lending her support to her husband in the appeal? What will happen now that the court documents have arrived? The case may proceed to oral argument in the United States courts. The lawyers and judges will meet for about 15 minutes each to present their new arguments. The final decision is made by the appeals court. In some cases, it may be necessary to appeal to the Supreme Court, but this is not always the case. The Supreme Court would have to be asked to review Josh's legal team's petition for a writ of certiorari. Depending on the outcome of Josh's appeal, the appellate court may even order a new trial. When it comes to Anna Duggar, she hasn't made any public statements about Josh Duggar's trial yet, and it appears that she keeps in touch with Josh even as he sits in jail awaiting sentencing. The Soho Files podcast call logs show that Anna Duggar called Josh more than 40 times between the middle of December and the beginning of January 2022. As far as we know, she won't be talking about Josh in public anytime soon.